got a ring light here. I'm gonna unbox and show you the difference. As you can see, I got it on Amazon, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this and set it up and show you. Okay, so here is the ring light. I got it for $99, and I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Let's open this up. Looks pretty sturdy. Okay. This is the case it comes in. It's pretty nice. Nice case there. One of the plates fell off. Alright, so as you can see, everything just kind of snaps on there, and I'm gonna, so it looks like we just attach it. Comes in the bag here. This looks like the little wireless remote, so I think it's, let's see. So it's a Bluetooth connection remote, so I can pair this and turn it off from the remote, and it works for phones and for cameras. This is the connection for your phone, so you can kind of loosen it and put your phone right there. This is the attachment for your phone and your camera. Wire and the plug and everything, I'm gonna get this connected. There's two of them, so there's this one too. So. So I'm noticing that this is all that came with it, and it won't connect here. So I think there is another piece that I can order that will allow me to put my camera or my phone right here. But it's okay right now. I have this tripod, so it's not a huge deal, but I think they have on the Amazon, they have like a buy one, get one, and I guess I just didn't put that in the order. But I think it's like 20 bucks, and it will allow you to put your phone or your camera right there. So I might get that a little bit later on. Instructions, and then the covers. So I think these are orange. They're the orange ones. So this is gonna give you like a warmer tone. I'll probably won't use these very much. I'm gonna get this situated, and then I'm gonna do a before and then an after with the light. Okay, so the light is on, and right now it's on like the lower setting, so I'm just going to raise the brightness up here. Okay. And here's the brightest. Wow, this is very, very strong. This is great. I was kind of like dreaming about getting stuff like this for a long time. I only used my phone. As far as like raising my phone up, I would find just random things to put it up. I used a knife block, I used my diaper bag, I used anything that had some height. I would try to fix my phone in a way to get it to stay. After 25 subscribers, I got myself a tripod. It's definitely a beginner tripod. It does let you use your phone and your camera. I'll leave that link below. It's a pretty good deal. I think it was maybe 20 bucks or so. It's a great starter. You can use it as like a selfie stick too, but that made a huge difference in filming my first videos. I'll link it up here. But I used a ladder to film the entire thing and I was so exhausted afterward. If you're thinking about starting YouTube, I would definitely think about getting a tripod. You can still use your phone. My phone is great. I do all of my editing on my phone still. I will be starting editing on I got a new laptop for Christmas, which I'm very, very thankful for. Starting doing my editing on my laptop. But since the beginning, I've been editing using Kinemaster on my phone. That's just been the easiest way since most of my videos are filmed from my phone. So if you're thinking about starting, you can definitely start with what you have and grow from there. But don't think that you have to get all this expensive equipment stuff, microphones. I don't have a microphone yet. Use what you have, start slow, and then kind of build yourself up. So that is my advice if you are starting out. I'm very, very new still. I started back August, early September, so I'm only been doing this for a little bit. But that's only my piece of advice as a very new beginner as well. Again, I will leave everything that I use in my description box below. This is a very strong ring light idea for this video from my friend Amber over at Am's Life. I'm gonna leave her channel above. She got a similar light. I don't know if they're exact same, but they're very similar. And she does show you the orange plates. So I'm gonna leave her channel below and above. So go check it out if you want to see the orange. For the purpose of what I show, I don't think I'll be using the orange, but you never know. If I do, I'll let you know in future videos. This is a great light. I love the bag that it came in. It's very easy to set up. I didn't read the instructions and I didn't order the attachment, but I will be doing that. You can use your phone or your camera with this, but make sure you get the attachment. Don't make the same mistake I did. On here and let you know that I did figure out how to connect the adapter and everything. I don't need to order a new one. It's all good. It's good to go. I'm recording on my camera. It is a Nikon Coolpix. I'll leave it down here. I'm not sure exactly. It's an older camera, but it works really good. It's set up so I can definitely use my phone on here. So I'm glad I don't have to order a separate piece, but I just want to let you know that we are good to go. But yeah, I got this and I just thought I would pop on here and show you if there are any new YouTubers out there or thinking of starting and you stumble upon this video. I hope this helped. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I wish you guys a very happy and successful 2019 and I will see you in my next one. Bye.